So this is an area in Ghitfan. Ghitfan is a big area, this is a small part of that. This battle happened 20 days after the Battle of Khaybar, after Hudaybiyah. This battle happened after 20 days after Hudaybiyah and 3 days before the Battle of Khaybar. The reason was that a leader in the area, his name is Uyayna, Oyainah, Uyayna, son of Hisan, Hisn. Later on he accepted Islam, he was a Muslim, but at that time not. He attacked the grazing area of the camels of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he killed the servant of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with the camels. So when Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got the news, Salama ibn al-Aqwa raziyallahu ta'ala an, he was such a swift man that a swift horse was unable to compete him in run. He was running like cheetah. So Salama ibn al-Aqwa raziyallahu ta'ala an, he said that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sent me along with his other servant, Rabah, R-A-B-A-H, Rabah. We both were riding the horse of Abu Talha. He said when we arrived in the area, so I gave the horse to Rabah, they take it back to Abu Talha. So he said that I went to a hilltop and like someone is calling for his companions for help to join him, as a strategy I gave that call. And then I was going on the elevated area and shooting the arrows on these people. When I caught them there in a very narrow canyon in between two mountains, so then they were unable to take the camels. So they were leaving it back one by one, the camels of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And they were running away in such a fear, thinking that there are a lot of people. Because Salama said that I was jumping here, one arrow from this angle, another arrow from this angle, another arrow from this angle, as a strategy. Yes, to get them confused that where from the arrows are coming. So it means that all over the mountains there are people. So he says that they were in such a fear that they were leaving their own shoes and their own chadarai also, throwing it and running away. And then I was coming little by little down. So whatever was there, I was putting a stone on that. That was a symbol and sign, yes, that if some Sahaba are coming after me, so they may know that our friend, he has symbolized it. Got it?
Yes.
So when they disappeared and they left behind all the camels, so I sat for a rest there. And then I saw some Sahaba riding their horses and coming up behind me. There was Ahzam Raziyallahu an. Then Abu Qatada Raziyallahu an. Then Miqdad ibn Aswad Raziyallahu an. On his way, Abu Qatada killed Abdurrahman Fazari, one of the people of Uyayna ibn Hisn, the one who caught the camels. Got it? He said they were very thirsty. When they were running, they were very thirsty. These enemies. They tried to take water from the well of Ziqirad, but he said that I caught them under my fire, that they were unable to take a sip even. And also Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam arrived there. So I said, oh the Prophet, you didn't allow me to kill them. So that's why I was not hitting them directly. Yes, I was shooting from their front, their back, right side, left side, overhead, and this and that. I was not targeting them because you didn't tell me that to kill them. Now if you want, none of them can run away because I have caught them. I have caught them. So Rasulullah says, as they left the camels, let them go. And on that day, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that this day was for Abu Qatada in cavalry and for Salama ibn al-Aqwa in infantry. Infantry is that army which is walking on, say, foot. And cavalry who are riding horses. Got it? And also in Islam there is a third term which is not known to the modern world, that's called camelry. Because at that time some mujahideen, they used to ride a camel. So cavalry is still there, yes? But now they are not riding horses, they are riding tanks, yes. Because tanks have, but infantry is still there. So the word cavalry, which was used for horse riders, now that is used for tank riders. And on that day, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the spoils, he gave me 2 shares, not 1 share. And not only that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was riding his she camel known by the name of Adba, A-D-B-A-A, Adba. So when Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted, he said, Salama, yeah, sit behind me. He said that was the best day of my life, that I was sitting behind the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on his she camel. Got it? So that was actually a reward from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to put him in his own car. Yes? A president will make someone sitting with him in his own car. Yes? So he's looking for money, or that status is too much high. The status. Got it? So on that day, the flag of the mission or expedition was with Miqdad. And when Prophet ﷺ was leaving Medina, he was not leaving Medina without Amir. So he appointed dear Abdullah ibn Maktoum raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, the blind man. This battle was the first battle of after Sulh Hudaybiyah. After the Pact of Hudaybiyah, this Ghazwa Ziqirad, that was the first one after that. So now next topic is very important, so let's learn, inshallah.